We're going to talk about zones today. Zones, what do you say? What are zones? If you want to grow a plant and not have it bomb on you, not have it die or something go wrong, if it says on the plant the zones it is, so if a plant's 4 to an 8 in cold hardiness, and you plant it in the zone 9, it probably isn't going to make it. If you have a plant in zone 3, and you try to plant it in a 9, not going to happen. So, and if you try to take a 9 or a 10 and it gets hit with the cold from, say, North Dakota, it's not going to make it either. This is a really great thing. And you say, well, I live in India. This is for the United States. This isn't really helpful to me. Well, what you can do is you can take the cold hardiness, so maybe it goes to 30 to 35 degrees, or it's 1.1 to 1.7 degrees Celsius, and you can use this and say, yes, this will grow in my climate. So it doesn't necessarily, just because it's in the United States, you can use any of these zones, and then you can look at plants, and they'll say on it usually a zone, and you can find out what you're going to grow it there. It's really nice to experiment, but when you have a plant bomb all the time, it costs you money. So this is a money-saving trick that by knowing your zone, and it's easy to find. You can type your zip code in here. It will give you your zone, and you can pretty much use that to know when you can plant. So enjoy your zones. They're useful to you.